The storm, I can tell, is going to get worse.
4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Bull City, or 14 miles
TOR-C.
northeast of Holt, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Birmingham, Bessemer, Hueytown, Fairfield, Fultondale, Pleasant Grove, Midfield, Adamsville, Brighton, Graysville, Sylvan Springs, Brookside, Mulga, Maytown, West Jefferson, North Johns, Cardiff, Birmingham Fairgrounds, BJCC, and Edgewater. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Jefferson, Alabama,